Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing rear axle brake lines on a 2003 GMC Sierra using LinesToGo part number BLC-121-SS. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2003 Sierra, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 22mm socket and ratchet, 5/16 of an inch, 10mm and 14mm wrenches, cutting pliers, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 5/16 of an inch wrench. Raise and support the rear wheels and remove both rear wheels using a 22mm socket. With the rear wheels removed, use a 10mm wrench to remove the threaded fittings from both rear flex hoses. If your lines are overly rusted, it may be easier to cut the lines at the fitting using a pair of cutting pliers and then remove the fitting after. Use a 10mm wrench to remove both threaded fittings from the rear flex hose union and remove both rear axle lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new stainless steel LinesToGo axle lines, start by installing the left rear line labeled 06A into position. Start the threaded fittings into the rear flex hose union and the left rear flex hose. Tighten both threaded fittings using a 14mm wrench. Next, install the right rear LinesToGo axle line labeled 06B into position and start the threaded fittings into the right rear flex hose and the rear flex hose union. Tighten both threaded fittings using a 14mm wrench. Use a 10mm wrench to bleed both rear wheels, making sure to keep the master cylinder reservoir topped up with fluid. Replace both rear wheels and torque to your manufacturer's recommended specification using a 22mm socket. Reconnect the negative battery terminal using a 5/16 of an inch wrench. This concludes the installation of stainless steel rear axle lines on a 2003 Sierra using LinesToGo part number BLC-121-SS. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.